Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of temporarily has been stopped on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zoom and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you can update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.